Welcome to Kid Family House.
Hi friends, today I show you how to make a rainbow slime.
Do you know what we need? We need
Clear glue, food colors, baking soda.
and contact lens solution.
Take measuring spoons, measuring cup.
For 6 ounce clear glue.
Add baking soda, mix it well.
For contact solution in this.
Mix it well.
Look at here. It is turning into slime.
It's mixing up and down. I am mixing it. This slime is ready. Look at the slime. See the magic. I like it. It's falling into the bowl. Watch out.
This is very sticky. Slime is ready. Take the slime from the bowl
Wow. That's falling.
into the bowl.
Ooh, that's sticking on my hands. Wow. What's happening?
To my hands.
This is sticky to my hands. It looks like a web on my hands. Sticky slime. Sticky.
Who is going to help me?
Play with this slime. Oh, this is very soft. He's my baby friend. Wow, that is tall. Look at that, looks like a rainbow. That's falling to the ground.
We can make it.
Bow, into a snake, into a ball,
Like a snowball, like a butter.
soft slime.
We can play with this slime every day.
Wow, see the magic.
With this slime, I'm going to do a rainbow slime. Now make it into 7 parts.
I'm making 7 balls with the slime. Put one hole in the middle. I'm adding violet color.
Now I'm making India color. Add 2 drops of blue. Add 1 drop of red.
Add blue. I'm adding blue color. Adding green color. I'm adding green color. Now I'm adding yellow color. tries. Look at the rainbow colors. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Rainbow with these colorful slimes.
Take violet slime to a car.
Now take take yellow. This is last color of rainbow.
Do you know how many colors in the rainbow? It's 7.
7 colors.
Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red.
Mixing. Wow, it's a nice rainbow colors. They are mixing.
The rainbow. You can try it in your home with your parents. For watching, please like, share and subscribe for more videos.